a base, that in this case, base is a solid baking soda. Add an acid liquid that's vinegar. The chemical reaction creates gas, and this gas is also known as carbon dioxide. As a gas tries to live in a water bottle, it doesn't have anywhere to go up but into the balloon. And because I have a tight bottle sealed here, the gas pushes against the balloon as it inflates it. Great, right? Now you can make different combinations. Like you have more baking soda, bigger balloon, or smaller balloon. Diba? It's fun and magical. In summary, when we make a base, that in this case, base is a solid baking soda. Add acid liquid, that is vinegar. The result is gas. And this gas is also known as carbon dioxide. Thank you for listening to me and good morning.
Ito ba? Uy, bunso. Ang iyong anay, dito ka titingin na pag hindi yung, ang mo naroon doon ay ito ang iyong Sabi ko kasi doon kasi pag nag-explain ka, papagayon, yun, hindi dito mo tinuturo sa acid dahil sinasabi mo base, hindi ka nakatingin eh. Okay na? Tingnan daw? Anong pagkaano mo?
Grandma, 5:35.
Kasi ito, ang pag-ano ay gayon, hindi ang nag-acid ay naroon doon, nag-base ay nasa acid.
Empty bottle, vinegar, baking soda,
Meron? Bakit ka rinig? Rinig agad? Huwag mo pabilisin. Natin na natin kung pwede na eh. Mahina kasi siya. Ito naman i-edit ay.
5:38. 5:31.
Ano tatagalan mo? Kaya papakrisin mo yung pag na hindi ka natatagalan. Yan ka natatagalan sa paglalagay ng vinegar, ay ng baking soda. Nabitawan. Nabitawan ang alin?
Yung 1, 2, 3. Pagkaganyan 1, 2, 3.
Okay lang yan.